So I just made a white cake and I had a bunch of leftover yolks. So I went ahead and made a flan for my son. I promised I'd make him one on Thanksgiving and I didn't get around to it. I didn't have all the ingredients. So I'll show you how I made it. I just put 1.5 cups of sugar into a saucepan and I'm letting that caramelize till it gets to that deep, rich amber color. As you see here, look at that silky stuff. It's so good. I could eat this with a spoon, but don't do it because it's so hot. Just don't touch it. It's going to harden once it gets into this pie dish. And just leave it. It's fine. Look at that. So good. Now we're going to put in a can of sweetened condensed milk and a can of evaporated milk. And I did put vanilla off screen. Just about a teaspoon of that. And then here's our yolks. We have 8 yolks going in. We're going to whisk that up. This is actually one of my favorite desserts to make for the holiday season because I can make it the night before, set it in the fridge to let it cool, and then plop it out the next day, which is what I did not do. You'll see at the end of the video. Oh my gosh. So here I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm going to pour it into that pie dish with all that delicious caramel. So we're going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes in a water bath. And then we take it out. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, golden goodness. And you'll want that jelly snapback. See, it's wiggling, doing its thing. That's what you want when it comes out. And this kind of gives you just a layer from the side, you can see. Oh boy, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
I did not wait for this to cool, and I should have. You'll see.
I'm gonna move up, so watch with me. Ready? It messed up. It all got messed up.
Listen, it might not be pretty, but it tastes delicious. This is how I learned patience is a virtue. I'll see you on the next one.